Good morning, students. Today we are going to start column graph or bar graph. So what is column graph or bar graph? It is the graphical representation of data, and it consists of vertical rectangles. It is called columns or bars, and these rectangles or bars are of different heights, but the width is very same. So I can show you, this is the bar graph. Here you can see these are the different heights of different bars. These heights are telling us about the different values, and you can see the width of every bar is very same. This width you can take in any measurement. It can be small, you can see it can be small or big, that is your wish, but it should be very same. On x-axis we can see that here we are taking the very fixed quantity whatever in data, and here we are taking the numerical data, changing data. Okay, and these heights are having different values. You can see here this value is 60, here 80, depends upon the data. Here you can see these numbers are 0 to 10 to 20, 30, 40. So it can be 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, or it can be 100, 200. It depends upon the given data. This question you can see here the data is 400, 460. So the maximum number is 730. So how will you take this difference? So on the x-axis, we are taking the fixed quantity January, February, months names, and here you can see we are taking 100, 200, 300. So according to the given data, we are taking the here measurements. Okay. So here we will suppose that this difference is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Like this way it is 100, 200. So we will suppose in any way. Now here you can see this is the data given. So much big numbers are these. Maximum number is 1460. So accordingly we have to take the numbers in the bar graph. So here we can take 200, 400, 600 so that we can reach up to the maximum number. Okay. And here the very small, this one division, it is equal to 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, like this way. This we can suppose one small division is equal to 20 students. So exercise 1E, out of these 6 questions, I can take any one to show you how to make on graph paper. Afterwards, all these 6 questions you will complete on your graph copy. So exercise 1E, third question, draw a column graph. I will show you how to make on the graph paper. So on graph copy, right side you can make the table, and left side we will make the graph. So first of all we have to take x-axis, you can see, and there is y-axis. On x-axis we are taking class 5th, 6th, 7th, and y-axis we are taking the number of students. So here you can see the distance is up to 130, 140. So we can take 10, 20, 30, 40 distance. It should be very same. Okay, now first of all for 5th class, number of students are 135. So this is 5th class, 135, where will it reach? The center is 135. With the help of scale, you will make with the pencil and scale. Okay, graph. So this is 135. With the help of scale we can put here line, and afterwards this line you can meet here. It should be very straight, and this is the bar for 5th class. Now for 6th class 130. Now next 130 is this. So we will take the scale and put here one line, and like this way you will make your straight line. You can see these are our 2 bars. Distance should be very same. Now for 7th class 120, this is 120, like this way you can make for 7th. Then 8th class 115 will be in the center of these 110, 120, this is 115. With the help of scale you will take and see this is 115 and make the bar. Afterwards 9th class 140 and 10th class 90. So with the help of scale you will see where is 90, and these are the different bars for different classes. So afterwards if you want to make like this you can make, and these are the different bars for different classes, and these heights are showing the number of students for each class. So like this way you can make other column graphs also for the other questions of exercise 1E.